Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tips by NSF. Today we are going to see the topic grammar on a 10th standard book. In the last video we have completed the unit 1 grammar, models and active voice, and next now we are going to see the articles in the unit number 2. So let's start with articles. So the main definition of articles is, what is articles? In articles there are 3: a and the. Okay, where is a used means a is used in the singular nouns only. A and an both are used in only singular nouns. And the next an means we use in the before the words of the vowels a, e, I, o, u. Before these letters we use an. In some cases we use an in h, for example an or. So in that case we use an. And then also an MLA, honest. In these such cases also we use an. And next the is used in solar system, the earth, the moon, the judge, etc. In these cases we use the. So the main concept we have to know, there are 3 articles, a and the. That's all. In your book they are given more examples, you can read them one by one. So let's move on to the exercise. So exercise number 1, it is a dialogue. Let's complete this. Nagarajan and Lakshmi are talking each other. They are both talking. So let's start with the cat number 1. Well, here we are, number 8, Kaveri Street. I think this is the house that we saw online. What do you think of the location? So we are using the in the dialogue number 1. So next, it is in the nice neighborhood and it's close to the railway station. And the bus stop is not too far away. How many rooms are there? There are 3 rooms. A kitchen. Kitchen is a singular, so we are using a. A kitchen, a balcony. There is a lawn behind the house, right? That's right. The lawn is actually quite large. Did you see any photo of the living room online? What does it look like? The living room looks great. It looks bright and airy and has a nice view of the hill views the, okay? But the kitchen looks a little small. And I remember you said there isn't a storeroom, right? No, but there is an attic where we can store things. Attic. So A, E, I, O, U, we are using here an before vowel. I hope this house is a better option. Let's wait for the real estate agent. She said she would be here 3 o'clock. Look, there she is. So the first exercise has been completed, a dialogue, okay? Next, we have to add articles to this passage. Let's see. My neighborhood is a very interesting place. My house is located in an apartment building downtown near many stores and offices. There is a small supermarket across the street where my family likes to go shopping. There is also a post office and a bank near home. In our neighborhood, there is a small green park where my friends and I like to play on weekends and holidays. There is a small pond near the park and there are many ducks in the park. We always have a great time. In addition, there is an elementary school. This is a vowel letter E, so we are using an. Close to our home where my little brother studies in 3rd grade. There are so many things to do in my neighborhood. That's why I like it. It's really a great place. Okay, so this is the dialogue also has been completed. Next, let's see the topic prepositional phrases. In the page next page, they are given some preposition meaning and example. We can read, okay? Next, let's see the exercises of this. We have to find this by looking at dictionary. Let's see line by line. Here a preposition and a meaning has been given. We have to find whether and match it with whether it is a correct option, okay? You can do it by your own self. It's very easy. by referring to dictionary. And next I'm going to give answers for the D Roman. Let's see. Fill in the blanks by choosing the most appropriate prepositional phrase from the given options. So, the first question, everything falls to the ground dash Earth's gravitational pull. Because of the Earth's gravitational pull, the trial was conducted in accordance with the procedure of law. Next, there is a temple right in front of my house. As a result of his hard work, he achieved the target. Failure is often the consequence of negligence. Children are given toys in addition to sweets on Children's Day. The parents must be informed in case of any indisciplined conduct of their ward. He didn't turn up due to his busy schedule. Global warming is an effect of the greenhouse emission. In spite of several warnings, he continued to swim. So the exercise number D also completed the choose. And next C, E. E, there is given edit. We have to find a correct exact meaning of the underlined word. Janu is studying in class 10 in the event of the teachers. According to the teachers, she is a disciplined student. In addition to her poverty. Despite of her poverty, she is always neat. Many students like her. Instead of in case of, we are using because of. Many students like her because of her simplicity. In addition to her studies, she also participates in sports. She gets on with everyone regardless of age and gender in school. In the event of taking leave, she ensures that she completes the work given before she goes to the school next day. So here all the exercise of the articles have been completed. Like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to share your comments. Thank you. Bye.